guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Day. So I'm not gonna lie, this video almost didn't get filmed today. I've been holding it off for about 2 weeks now, just because I don't want to clean this cabinet. Like I don't want to clean the bathroom. I don't like bathrooms. I don't like small bathrooms. My bathroom's small. I live in an RV, obviously, and my bathroom is smaller than a usual bathroom. I'm grateful, I'm grateful to have a bathroom, but like I have a lot of stuff. I'm a girl with a lot of stuff. So this video is just for motivation, for those maybe who need motivation, because I sure do. I watch videos myself to motivate me. So without further ado, I suppose we're gonna get started. I don't want to do this. I don't like cleaning. And guys, if you're looking for those aesthetic bathroom videos where they go into deep cleaning and they just have all the right cleaning supplies, this is not that video. This is gonna be a organize with me. This is an organized video. I'll do some light cleaning, but it's not gonna be like bubbles and suds and deep cleaning. It's gonna be ADHD friendly because I'm lazy. This video was not supposed to happen. Let's get started. Here's the kind of the before. This is not too bad, but not exactly, how I'd like it. It could be much more organized. And then we're also gonna organize in some of my makeup stuff. Got a lot of hair products, a lot of makeup, just a lot. I've also got my hair tools and towels and just a bunch of miscellaneous and random stuff. Just needs to all be organized, all of it. I also have stuff underneath my cabinet. That stuff does not need to be. I can't do anything about that right now. Okay, so I've got a trash bag here. I'm just gonna start organizing, throwing stuff out, taking stuff out. I'm a little overstimulated. This all is very overstimulating for me. So we're just gonna give it a go. We're gonna give it a shot. I did this a couple months ago and it looked nice, but then I clearly had let it go. It clearly needs more work. This is my grandmother's wig that I borrowed for Halloween. She's getting this back. I can't. My main problem when I get wigs, I get a lot of stuff with these wigs. Y'all, I have a lot of freaking nothing. Like, that's my problem. A whole lot. I'm gonna go in with my disinfectant wipes and we're gonna wipe away. The reason I didn't want to do this video is slowly coming back to me. I'm overstimulated. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer my makeup to this shelf instead, and then put all my hair stuff and shower stuff and lotions on this shelf. That just makes sense to me. I don't know. Y'all, I got a lot of hair stuff. Like, look at this. There's just stuff everywhere. I'm stressed. I'm stressed. I'm stressed. I'm stressed. I'm hot. I just realized there's nowhere to put my brushes. Y'all, I gotta pause. So y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I had to stop. I'm overstimulated. I'm just, it's a lot. It's a lot of stuff. It's a lot of stuff I don't know what to do with. It's a lot of like, just small stuff. Like, it's a lot. I can't even think. I can't think, y'all. Like, I can't think. I'm stressing, like, honestly. I'm really like trying not to crash out. Like it's a lot. And I know for some people be like just do this, just do this. It's not that simple. I mean, it is for some of y'all, but for me it's like it's gotta be a certain way. Like I can't just, like, it's gotta be organized and convenience to when I need my stuff, you know? And there's so much I want to throw away, but there's so much I'm like, I could use this, I could utilize it. So annoying. I hate that. And there's so much stuff that's like, why would I throw this away? And I could give it away, but who do I give it to? I could donate this stuff, but where do I take it? And where do I drop it off? I don't even like driving. I'm scared to drive. I'm scared to go places alone. Where can I take this stuff? I didn't think this through. This is why I was dreading this video, y'all. This is why I was dreading it. Because now I'm stressed out and there's just stuff. There's just stuff in my bathroom. And I gotta fix it. I gotta clean it up. I'm not trying to sound like I'm complaining. So I guess we've made some progress, but it doesn't even look like progress. Like, it looks the same. Maybe it's progress. I don't know, y'all. I'm stressed. So I finally persevered. I persevered and I got it organized. Even down here. Now it's not clean. I mean, it's clean enough. Like, it's my house. So yeah, proud of myself for that. Now we got to do the mirror cabinet. This is how I have it so far. I just utilized this basket and just threw all my toothbrush stuff into here and some stuff for my skincare. So yeah, that worked out. What I did was, since I had more space, since I put the basket down the bottom shelf, I utilized the top shelf and just put my lotions and body care stuff up top. Now it looks like this. So a lot of my wigs aren't useful anymore. Like, instead is I'm gonna just put them in trash bags or like grocery bags and store them somewhere. And for anyone who's like a wig expert, because I'm not clearly, let me know what I can do with these. Like, I don't know what to do. I don't know what, I'm overstimulated with wigs. Overwhelmed with wigs. Let's reveal, I finally finished. Let's reveal what I did. Alright guys, so that was my bathroom organized with me, clean with me, whatever you want to call it. Very proud of myself for, like I said, it's not clean, but at least organizing it. To a standard where I didn't feel crazy. If you guys want to see me clean anything else, like my bedroom, how I maintain things, leave a comment down below. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.